Back to my channel. Here we are going to be working on the conversion of these orthographic views into isometric view, as we are given these views in first angle orthographic projection. This is the front elevation and this is the plan. And let's talk about the dimensions on the front elevation. So we have that from here to here is 10, from here to here is 15, from here to here is 15, from here to here is 15, from here to here is 30, from here to here is 15, and then we for distance from here to here, so we shall get it by adding this together and subtracting the result from 90 millimeters that we have that from here to here is 90, as we have that from here to here is 90. Okay, and then we have that from here to here is 15, from here to here is 10. The total from here to here is 40 millimeters in the plan. So we have the total length is what is 90, and from here to here is 15, from here to here is 15, and from here to here is 40. Okay, so what we are going to do first is to work on the front elevation. We make the isometric view of the front elevation. So once we are able to get that done, then the remaining part will come out with ease. So let's start. So what we are going to do here, let me just keep this here. So what we are going to do here, we also need to take note of the lowest point. So it is indicated with letter A here, and we can also see it here in the plan. So what we are going to do is to draw a short horizontal line here, and then I will take my 30-degree set square, set it at this point. Okay, then I'm going to draw a line in this direction, and then at this point I will draw a short vertical line at this point here. So we have this now. Alright, so I'm going to take a measurement of 90 millimeters, which is distance from here to here. So I'll take a measurement of 90 millimeters from this point. I'll take 90 millimeters to this point here. So this is 90 millimeters. Then we also need to indicate the lowest point A. So I need to write A at this point. So that is the lowest point. And also, so I will take a measurement of 10 millimeters on this line from here to here, which is for this particular small line that we have here, 10 millimeters. So I'll take 10 millimeters off from here. So this is 10 millimeters here. Then I will now come to this point here and draw a vertical line at this point. Draw a vertical line at this point here. So this is the vertical line here. So we have it like this here. Okay. So on this vertical line, I will take 40, which is distance from here to here. So take 40 millimeters. So this is here we have this to be 40 millimeters. Then I want to draw this line that we have here. So this line that we have here. So therefore, for us to know the distance from here to here, let's add this together. So 30 plus 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 30, that's 60. 60 plus plus 15, that's 75. So if you subtract 75 from 90, so that will be 15. So it means that distance from here to here is 15 millimeters. So I need to take a measurement. Okay, before that, sorry, I need to draw a line. So for us to draw this line that we have from here to here, I'm going to draw a line at an angle 30. So setting my set square like this, I will draw a line from here forward, and I'm going to take a measurement of 15 millimeters from this point forward. 15 millimeters from this point forward. So this is 15 millimeters, and then we have what we have a vertical line that comes down like this, so which is 10 millimeters long. So I will draw a vertical line at this point like this. Okay, so and then I'm going to take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So this is 10 millimeters. This 10 millimeters that I took is from this, is for distance from here to here. That is 10 millimeters. Then we need to draw this line. So I will come to this point here, setting my set square like this. I will draw a line in this direction, and don't forget that that line is what is 15 millimeters long. So from this point I will take 15 millimeters forward. This is 15, and also so we have what we have a line that comes down, a vertical line that comes down here. So I'm going to set my set square like this and draw a vertical line down like this. Okay, so what is distance from here to here? Okay, let's look for it. Okay, the total from here to here is 40, and we are told that from here to here is 10, and from here to this level is 15. So it means that if we add 10 plus 15 will give us 25, and then if you subtract 25 from 40, that will give us 15. So we take a measurement of 15 millimeters down from this point here. So this is here is 15 millimeters. and then we are going to draw this horizontal line that we have here. So with the set square being set like this, so we draw the line, so it comes forward like this, and we take a measurement of 30 millimeters on this line from this point. Take 30 millimeters forward, this is 30 millimeters, and then so we are going to draw a vertical line up from this point here. We draw a vertical line up. Okay, so we take that vertical line, so the vertical line goes up like this, so it goes up like this, so we have this now. All right, so then there's something that we need to do. Okay, so what is the distance from here up? From here up, okay, what is the distance from here up? I'm looking at this distance. Okay, I'm looking at this distance. So if we have that from here to here is 10, okay, and then from here to here is 15, I'm looking at this distance to be 10 millimeters. From here to here is 10 millimeters. So I'm going to take a measurement of 10 millimeters up from this point. This is 10 millimeters. So at this point, I'm going to draw horizontal line. So that is this horizontal line that we have from here to here. I will draw it forward like this, and then we take that 15, this 15 from here to here. So we take 15 millimeters forward here. So this is 15 millimeters. So we now have that this line at 15 is connected with this line at 10. So I will join them together. So just join these 2 points, join them together. So then we have the front elevation produced in isometric view. So what is the next thing that we have to do to make it an isometric block? So we are going to take the set square. So we set the set square in this direction at this point, and then we draw a line in this direction. Okay, then we come to this point. Okay, then we draw a line in this direction. Also, we come up here and we draw a line in this direction. So coming to this point here, so we also draw a line in this direction. I will come to this point. Okay, just look at me. So we draw a line in this direction. I will come up here at this point and draw a line in this direction. Then I will come here also, so draw a line in this direction. I will come up here and draw a line in this direction. So I'll come up here also, draw a line in this direction. All right, so we have all this. So what we are to do now is that, so we have that from here to here is 40 millimeters. Just come to this point here and take a measurement of 40 millimeters from here forward. See, this is 40 millimeters. At this point here, draw a vertical line. At this point, draw a vertical line like this. Okay, then you can't just draw a line from here to connect to this line. You have to come here again and take a measurement of 40 millimeters. Take 40 millimeters. Okay, then we now connect this together. So we join these 2 points, we join them together like this. Okay, then I will now come here, setting my set square in this direction. I will draw a line to connect with this. Okay, then also here I also need to take a measurement of 40 millimeters from this point to this side. You can't just join them like that. Okay, so I will now come here. Okay, so if I draw the line, so the line will it will go like this. So draw the line forward like this. Okay, so this is how you can do it so that the shape can come out very well. Then coming to this point here, so we draw a vertical line up here. Okay, and then at this point I will set my set square like this and transfer this point onto this line, and for this I will come set the set square like this and then draw a vertical line, and then I will set the set square like this at this point, and then I will connect this together. All right, so you can see what we have right now. Okay, so then we have a feature. So we have a feature. So here in the middle here, that's why it is hidden. So there's a cut in the middle here that is hidden from us, and the depth is what is 10 millimeters, which is already 10 millimeters that we took from here to here. So what we just need to do is to bring out the shape here. So the total is what? The total is 40 from here to here. Then we have 15 from here to here, 15 from here to here. So let's take that 15. So come to this end here, and we take 15 millimeters forward. So 15 millimeters to this side. This is 15 millimeters. Then I'll just take what? Take 10. So the rest is what? Is 15. So what I need to do now is that from this point, I'm going to use my my black pen to make it a thick line. Okay, so I make it a thick line at once from here to here to make it a thick line. I will come to this point. We also draw a line like this, making it a thick line. Then I will now take it from here. Okay, I'll take it from here and then draw a thick vertical line down like this, and then I'll come here also draw a thick vertical line down, and then at this point here, so I'm not going to at this point, okay, I'm looking at, okay, let me just draw it like this, and then I have to come to this point. Okay, so I can make it a thick line, so I will draw a line from here like this. Okay, so this line has to be drawn. Okay, then let's make this a thick line at once. So if you look at what we have here, we have completed the isometric view of this object whose orthographic views are given. So what we have to do now is to bring out the visible outlines and edges of this object by making this line a thick line from here to this end. So have it as a thick line from here to here, and also we do the same thing here, making this line a thick line. So making this line also a thick line, and then so we come here, make it a thick line from here to here, make this also a thick line from here to here, and then so we also need to make this a thick line from here to here, and then this line should be a thick line from here to here, and also make this a thick line, and then we also make this line a thick line from here to this end. All right, so then in this direction, okay, let's work on the vertical ones. So we also make this a thick line from here down. Okay, so make this a thick line from here down, and then so we also have this one, so make it a thick line from here down. I need to do the same thing here, make it a thick line from here down, and this line should be made a thick line, and this also a more visible line, and then so this line here, we make it a thick line from here down. We also make this a thick line from here down. All right, so then this is a non-isometric line. So when you have this type of line on an isometric block, is a non-isometric line because it is not drawn with 30 degrees set square. So that's why it's a non-isometric line. So we just join as you see it there. Okay, then we make this line a thick line, and this line also, so we make it a thick line from here to here. Okay, then this line also make it a thick line from here to this end. Then we also make this line a thick line from here to here. Okay, then this line should also be made a thick line, and then so also make this line a thick line from here to here. Okay, then so coming here, so this line, so make this a thick line from here to here, and this also a thick line from here to, so we leave the middle one, and then so we come up here, so making this line a thick line and making this line a thick line from here to here. Then at the end here, so we make this line a thick line from here to here, and also make this a thick line from here to here. So looking at what we have here, we have completed the isometric view of this object as we are given. Okay, it's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When you practice this, you become a master at this work. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.